and do subscribe my channel. मैं कभी कहता नहीं हूँ सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, बट अब से बोलना शुरू मैं करता हूँ कि do subscribe my channel और घंटी भी दबाइए. Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and as you can see that I am in my village. So guys, today I am going to show you a gooseberry tree. The thing is that whenever you go to market, you buy some gooseberries. Gooseberry means amla. So when you go to market, you buy some gooseberry. There are very few people who have seen gooseberry trees or they have plucked the gooseberries directly from the tree. So I have got this opportunity, so I am going to show you guys. As you can see here, this is the tree. This is called gooseberry tree. In Hindi it is called आंवले का पेड़. So you can see there are so many gooseberries. My God, look at there. If I speak in Hindi, I would say कि आंवला ही आंवला आपको चारों तरफ दिखाई देने वाला है guys. So I am just going to pluck some gooseberries and I'll eat them. You can make chutney out of these gooseberries, you can eat them, you can make murabba, whatever, like the way you want, you can use the gooseberries. It is really very good for health, very, very beneficial. So I think I must, can I climb here? Is it possible? Cameraman, is it possible to climb or there should be something else to plug it? No, it's tough to climb. See guys, first look at here. Oh, here, okay. I must pluck from here. That one. I need to jump in order to hold the twig of it. So let me try. Move it. 3, 2, 1 and here we go. It's very tough. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh. Only leaves came in my hand. Actually, okay, here. Okay. ये इस पे चढ़ सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, लग्गी से है? ठीक है, 2-4 बस बड़े निकाल लें. ठीक है. So, the thing is that guys, actually I did not try to climb. If I slip, I might break my bones. It's better I must use any stick in order to pluck some gooseberries. So if you come to village, you can see various things which you might not have seen in cities. The originality, the root, you can see here in the village. So gooseberry trees. So many people have gooseberry trees. So I'm going to plug. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, try करता हूँ. So guys, as you can see here, this is a big stick. So with the help of this stick, I think I must go for some big one. I think this is cameraman here. Hey, cycle. Okay. Can you see, cameraman? Can you see this one? Okay. Which one? Here. No. Where? There. This. Where? Okay, this. Okay. So guys, look at here. I'm going to try them. Yes. Okay. I got it. Found. Okay. See guys, see. Here and see. Look at cameraman. See guys. Gooseberries. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Fresh gooseberries directly from the tree. And one more here. Oh, this is not up to the mark. So let it be. I got 4. I want 2, 3 more. 2, 3 more. Okay. Okay, I can take one more from here. One more. Okay. I got it. Take. Fine guys, now I'll take you to my farmhouse. Stay connected guys. Thank you. So guys, one more thing I would like to show you. I would like to request my camera person to show this entire scene guys. Look at over there. Cameraman, look at there. As you can see, those animals, these animals are called, here people call it ghorpras, I don't know why, but this is nilgai. These animals are called nilgai. Look at there, camera person, focus over there. So they are nilgai, these animals. They mostly come here with a view to eating green grass, their favorite food, and the villagers have to drive them away if they want to protect their field, their crops. So stay connected. Now I'm going to show you my farmhouse, everyone. Okay, my cameraman is still focusing the nilgai. Okay, so guys, so you can see here my farmhouse. I have shown you many times, but again I am back to my village, so I'm going to show you guys. So this is my farmhouse. So I would request my camera person to come inside, and first of all I would like to show you my favorite car. Did you hit, cameraman? Did you hit? Okay, my favorite car. This is my Alto car. I love this car. Okay, and so here I park my car, and if you come here, everyone, see the arrangement of vegetables. Look at here. If you want cauliflowers, you can take cauliflowers from here. Of course you can't come to take, I will take, but I can show you. So here my father has arranged each and everything. So for cauliflowers, this section has been used. And if you talk about this section, Yakshat, what happened?
You need to catch the helicopter.
Yes, I'll do that. And here, this section is for bottle guards, you know, bottle guards. And come this side. See bottle guard, guys. Look at bottle guard here. Here the bottle guard. See the bottle guard. This is the bottle guard, and hey, one bottle guard is here, guys. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. The bottle guard is here. So this is the benefit. If you live in village, you can get fresh organic vegetables. और क्या क्या है पापा जी?
ये मिर्ची का हम
Okay, एक मिनट ऐसे माइक पे. Wait, Akshat. Yes, Papa ji. I am just going to talk to my father about this.
लाल मिर्ची का बीज गिराए हुए हैं.
Here, camera person, we can show here.
हाँ, ये
अच्छा,
और वो भी है. तो ये कुछ दिन में हो जाएगा पौधा तैयार.
Okay.
उसके बाद इसको उखाड़ करके रोप दिया जाएगा. फिर मिर्ची धीरे धीरे बढ़ के फरना शुरू हो जाएगा.
लाल मिर्च है.
हाँ, लाल मिर्च.
ओके,
लाल मिर्ची
मतलब वो हरा मिर्च होगा लेकिन लाल कलर का होगा.
वो तो हरा कलर का होगा वो.
ओके.
हाँ, उस वाला.
ओके.
और ये जो है से लाल मिर्ची लंबा लंबा फरेगा.
ओके. ओके. और क्या क्या है?
और ये बैगन है.
माइक.
बैगन.
अच्छा,
बैगन.
ओके. ब्रिंजल्स गाइस, ब्रिंजल्स here.
ये है कोंघरा.
So I would like to say to my viewers, here it is called kongra. It means it is sitafal, pumpkin.
सीताफल.
So this is for pumpkin. Okay.
और
Here, mic के साथ.
ये टमाटर का पौधा है. टमाटर.
So guys, this plant is for tomato.
ये परवल.
Okay. And guys, here you can see this. This is for pointed gourd. Parval, Trichosanthes dioica. Okay, come this side. And you can see here again some bottle gourds. See the hidden bottle gourds. Okay.
ये देखो.
Oh my God, guys! See the giant bottle gourd. Look at here, the biggest bottle gourd. Can you show it, camera person? My God, the biggest bottle gourd.
इसको अभी काट के ले चलेंगे.
Okay. Okay. तो काटी लीजिए.
हाँ, तब लाते हैं काटने वाला.
अच्छा, काटने वाला चाहिए. ओके, तो टोटल गोभी और साग वाग लगाए हैं पापा जी?
यही सब है.
ओके.
बरसात की वजह से नहीं हुआ. शरद इतना ना हो गया कि बहुत लगाए थे बहुत चीज.
ओके.
लेकिन अब जाके शरद इसका घट रहा है, तब पौधा जागेगा.
Fine, guys. So
keep it down.
Yeah, so Akshat is also here and Akshat is going to fly his helicopter. Akshat, oh yeah, helicopter is flying. Look at here. Okay. Oh, अच्छा आपने ये वाला बटन दबा दिया होगा, ये नहीं दबाना, इससे स्टॉप हो जाता है.
Oh, sorry.
So Akshat is going to try. Okay, Akshat. Yeah. Look at cameraman ऊपर दिखाओ, cameraman. So guys, look at the helicopter. Wow, Akshat is enjoying. So Akshat, you are having fun? Okay, fine. Okay, come outside, guys. Come outside.
Plants are there.
Okay, plant. Come. So guys, so this is my farmhouse. Come out. I'm going to show you. So guys, you can see here out of my farmhouse and look at here, fields all around. Okay, see guys, peace and tranquility. Lovely. I just love this place, guys. Love this place. You should get up early in the morning, do some dhyan, yoga at this place, not on the road. Okay, you can do inside. Really lovely. Hey, are there some fish? Cameraman.
सारा मछली मार ली कैसा.
अच्छा. कोई नहीं. पहुँच.
What fish?
Hey, I can see some fish.
Where?
छोटा मछली
है. ये है ना मछली. Guys, I can see some fish. Wait, it's really amazing. Wait.
Can I come?
Yes. See guys, I can show you some fish out here. यार अभी तो यही था, कहाँ गया?
पानी भाग जाले.
I don't know where the
I think these.
fish has gone.
I think these soap kind of things are this.
Hey, fish is right here. Hey, I can see moving.
वैसा है मछली.
Yes, I can see them moving.
Yeah.
See, like how to catch them. Great. Can you see Akshat?
Yeah.
See fish. I can see them moving.
This soap kind of thing.
Okay. Come.
क्या मछली डालेगा.
हाँ.
बहुत मार. पाँच किलो सब मार लो कहीं.
Okay. Come.
गौराई आप पुठिया दे रहे.
Fine, guys. So as you can see here, some people have caught some fish. Come this side. Camera person, come this side. I can show you. See. Here also people have caught some fish. See. Hey, I can see some fish.
Can I?
Can you see some movement? You might fall, Akshat. Stay away.
Then
Still some fish are here, but who will catch and how to catch? I don't know. Okay, but as you can see this, it is clearly evident that some people have caught some fish from here. यहाँ से मछलियाँ पकड़ी गई ना? Amazing. बहुत सारी. कौन सी मछली?
सब था. सिंगी, गौराई, डेरवा, पुठिया.
Okay. So guys, as you can see here, people catch fish here too. You can see this field also. Here also, people have caught some fish from here. See, amazing. So in the village, you can get many things, vegetables as well as fish.
में तो सब मारा है.
Okay. Well guys, so thank you very much everybody. This is all about this blog. So see you in another episode. Till then take care and do subscribe my channel. मैं कभी कहता नहीं हूँ सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, बट आपसे बोलना शुरू में करता हूँ कि do subscribe my channel और घंटी भी दबाइए. मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़े और मैं रेगुलर ब्लॉग्स बनाता रहूँ guys. Thank you very much everybody. Thank you. Bye.